So it's your girl Bannon BB here, and I'm off today and just taking a little bit of time to self-care. And this time it's gonna be some hair self-care. I have already washed my hair with my TGIN Quench 3-in-1 co-wash. I co-wash my hair. I don't really like drying shampoos. And then I used my Lustrous Pink Shea Butter Coconut Oil Moisturizing and Smoothing Conditioner, which smells really good. It's for natural hair textures. I really like it. But the emphasis on what I'm going to do for my hair today is going to be a protein treatment. Now, if you know anything about natural hair, you know it's not enough just to moisturize. You can over moisturize your hair, or you can add too much of that keratin and protein and stuff into it. You have to have a balance between moisturizing and protein in your hair. So what I'm doing today is giving myself a protein treatment, which I know for a fact is something I lack. Today I am using AlphaG's protein treatment. It's a 2-step protein treatment with the protein treatment bottle in 1 and the balancing moisturizer in 2. Since my hair is already washed, got my wide tooth comb. And first of all, shout out to the OG YouTuber who taught me about this, which would be Tia. I did not even learn how to really take care of my hair until I started watching YouTube in college about 5-6 years ago now. So these products I was put on to by Tia, and I did notice results in it then, and thus I kept buying it and kept using it, but I haven't done one in a long time now, so I need to do it again for sure, so I can get some more thickness in my hair for the winter and just let my hair build some more strength. Ooh, it's smelly! It's smelly! Ooh, baby, this smells! Apply that protein treatment and use a wide tooth comb to comb it throughout your hair. I'm gonna take my hand dryer and use that to completely dry the product in my hair until it just gets hard. Your hair is gonna get hard with this. Oh, you will know when you're done because it is gonna get so stiff. The next step, of course, is to rinse this out. Re-wet and gently rinse thoroughly with warm water. Remove all excess dried protein and towel dry. Then apply the AlphaG Balancing Moisturizer to hair and scalp. Leave it on for 2 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. I'm gonna do all of that in the shower and I'll be done with it. Alright guys, so I washed the Balancing Moisturizer, which has a much more pleasant smell than the protein treatment. So now I'm just gonna put some leave-in conditioner in my hair and apply this 99% natural pro-growth hemp hair oil in my hair because I'm still wearing wigs, child. I read that hemp oil is surprisingly good for psoriasis scalp. I'm going to put my conditioner in my hair and put my hemp oil in my hair and prep it for what's to come, but at least I'll know that underneath my wigs my hair is pretty healthy and ready to go. And one of the things that you will notice after using protein treatments, you are gonna lose a lot less hair. Your hair is gonna get a lot stronger, which is why I'm implementing this now. I should be doing this on a monthly basis, but yeah, so let's get back to this healthy hair journey. I should just lightly dab hemp oil right in my hair and just massage it in my scalp because my scalp needs this oil. Just massage it in my scalp. You know, you should be doing scalp massages regularly because it increases the blood flow in the scalp. So that should promote healthy hair growth. At least that's what I've read. So I'm just gonna Erykah Badu it out, let my hair towel dry. This is my winter time hair routine slash how I do my protein treatments in my hair. You guys like, subscribe, share it with people who need it, and let me know how you are living, baby. Of course, there's no community without the you and the I. So if you know somebody with scalp psoriasis or have scalp psoriasis yourself, and you suffer with dry skin in general in your scalp, or you're working on your natural hair growth, please feel free to share me some information. You can also check me out on Instagram and Twitter and have little group chats there. So love you guys. It's Bad Aunt BB over and out.